There's nothing worse than having glasses that have smudges on them, that are dirty, and that you are cleaning, but you find that over time, whatever you're using just doesn't seem to be working. So I want to quickly show you and do a quick review for this here. This is a Koala, I believe I'm saying it right, Koala. This right here is going to do the job as far as cleaning your glasses. Let me tell you a few things I like about this. Besides being made in the USA, we've got no alcohol or ammonia. This is going to get rid of those streaks. This is going to get rid of those smudges that sometimes even after using certain cleaners, you don't notice much of a difference. And something else, we've got this here. This is a microfiber cloth that you're going to use with it. So you use this cloth in conjunction with the spray here. Very simply, we're going to spray both lenses there. Now we're going to use the microfiber. And I've got to tell you that even in using this, one of the biggest things I notice is the scent. So if you're using one that has a lot of alcohol in it, you notice it right away. I can tell you, using this microfiber cloth, it cleans it almost immediately while using your solution here. Once again, now I've got it clean. I've had this for a while. This will last you quite a bit, even though it's in a small container, as you can see here. But I've been super happy with it. And like I said before, the benefits of using this as opposed to a lot of the other ones is going to outweigh and outlast all of the ones that you're going to be using. Solution, microfiber cloth. Clean glasses, happy.